Blepharitis is a common condition where the edges of the eyelids become red, crusty, and swollen, and it actually affects many people. In this video, I've done research into the best way to ease your symptoms at home through good eyelid hygiene, and we're going to learn how to do it. And if you have any tips which work for you, please leave a comment below and let us know. Blepharitis often affects both eyes, but one eye can be affected more than the other. Now, it's a long-term condition, it can't be cured, but practicing good eyelid hygiene can prevent it from coming back and keep it under control. This daily routine consists of 3 parts. Now, to begin with, you need to do it twice a day. Long-term though, you can reduce it to 2 to 3 times a week. Always remember to wash your hands before and after you do it. And now let's begin. Start with a warm compress and apply it to your eyes for at least 5 minutes. And here's how you do it. To make a warm compress, soak a clean washcloth or flannel with hot water. Wring it out and place it over your closed eyelids, and as it cools, re-wet it with warm water again and wring out and reapply. Another option is to buy an eye bag, which can be heated in the microwave, and it releases heat longer so it doesn't need to be reheated. But be careful you don't heat it up too much because you could burn yourself. Warm compresses will loosen dandruff and soften oil secretions around your eyelashes. Next, massage the eyelids immediately after the warmth. This helps push out the oily fluid from the glands. And here's how to do it. First, close your eyes, massage along the length of the upper and lower eyelids, sweeping downwards when moving along the upper eyelid and sweeping upwards when moving along the lower eyelid. Massaging should neither be too gentle nor too firm. The idea is that you're moving the oily secretions towards the edge of the eyelid so they can come out of the glands. And the last step is cleaning. So after the warm compress and the massage, it's time to clean the eyelids. Now, there's a few different methods for this, but I prefer the traditional one, and that's what I'm going to show you now. Add a few drops of baby shampoo to clean warm water. The ratio of water to shampoo should be 10 to 1. Next, dip a cotton wool bud into the liquid and squeeze any excess liquid to prevent drips getting into the eye. In front of a mirror, gently rub along the upper and lower eyelids several times away from the eye without wiping the inner margins of the eyelids. Be careful you don't poke yourself in the eye, as the upper eyelid can be quite difficult. And that's how you clean your eyelids properly. And if your blepharitis doesn't respond to regular cleaning, then it's important to speak to your doctor or healthcare professional about it, because you may need prescribed treatment. I've also left a link in the description below which tells you about the complications of blepharitis and what to do about it, which I'd highly recommend reading. And let me know if these eyelid hygiene techniques work for you by leaving a comment below. I've also read some research that omega-3 supplements can help with the symptoms of blepharitis and dryness of the eye. So if you've tried it and it's helped, then leave a comment below and let us know. And if you liked this video, if you found it helpful, then please hit that like button now. And if you've got any friends or family who suffer from blepharitis, then share this video to them or tag them in. Hey guys, thanks for watching this week's video. Make sure to click that like, follow or subscribe button now to stay up to date with new weekly videos. In this video, I've done research into... I feel so refreshed now. Such quite a nice feeling this. I could get used to this. And that's how you clean your eyelids properly. And if you blepharitis, and if you blepharitis, and that's how